Hi, my name is Steve Milton, and this is my demonstration that my connections PHP file is connecting to the database correctly, and it's also capturing or trapping any errors, and I'm setting this to the correct page if it fails. So up here you'll notice that I have gone to my localhost Acme library connections PHP. This 8080 is because I had to use a different port than the default 80, so I have to specify here. But you'll notice if I go and refresh the page, if it comes up with a blank, then we know that it's connecting to the database correctly. If I go through and update the database, in my case I'm changing it from Acme to ACM, and I'll save that file, and then I'll go through here and refresh it again. Let me copy this so I can get it back when I need to. So I'll go and refresh that, and now you'll see up here you got Acme View 500 PHP with our error page that we created for this. If I go back through and I change it back to Acme for the database, I can go ahead and save that file and then go back here and put in the connection file again and run it. We see that we get the blank page again. So everything seems to be working correctly, and I'm able to hit the database and get the proper results from that. Thank you.